Hey everyone! Today I'm thrilled to guide you through creating your very own Discord server. Whether you're building a community, organizing events, or simply connecting with friends, creating a Discord server is the perfect way to bring people together in a digital space. Let's jump in and get started. First things first, open up the Discord app on your computer or mobile device. If you haven't already installed the app, you can download it from your App Store or visit the Discord website. Before you can create a server, you'll need to sign in to your existing Discord account or create a new one if you're new to Discord. Follow the prompts to sign in or create an account if needed. In the left sidebar, locate the plus icon. This is where you'll initiate the process of creating your server. Click on it to proceed. A menu will appear with options. Choose Create a Server to start building your new server. Now it's time to give your server a name. Select a name that accurately represents the purpose or theme of your server. Once you've decided, click Create. To invite members to your server, click on the invite icon next to the server name. You'll receive a unique invite link that you can share with your friends through various platforms such as email, social media, or messaging apps. You're all set! You've successfully created your Discord server. Begin chatting with your friends, organizing channels, and fostering a vibrant community. The possibilities are endless. Creating a Discord server is simple and empowering. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.